Alright guys, we're back here again with the review and unboxing of spring type sniper rifle na 689 ang brand. So I bought this on Lazada po during their sale. So actually this is the way back October ko pa po nabili. Pero I've decided to unbox this one and to review. So alright guys, we are here na po. Intro please. Alright guys, so actually hindi siya nakabox pero nakabalot siya nito. Safe naman dumating. So let's start na po baklasin na po natin yung mga parts po ng unit, and then ito po is meron pong I think 100 grams na black BBs 6mm. Tapos meron pong additional na outer barrel. I think yata to laser yata to siya guys. So we will attach this one later po. So we will remove the items first by pad to look realistic during the installation. We will remove the tape first. This free dummy scope, I think this is magnifier na. We will check this one later po. And then the tip, ito po yung muzzle niya. The tip of the outer barrel. And then the unit itself. I will just install this one guys, and then we will forward to the full installation of the unit. Alright guys, we attach all of the attachments po sa unit. Actually it's a long sniper rifle po na Springer type from Lazada. So approximately nasa mga 1.5 meters po siya guys. So this is the Springer po na unit. And then yung bala niya po is we have a extra 6mm na BBs. I think each beads weighs 0.20 grams. So medyo powerful to siya guys kung ititira natin. So right, showcasing the whole unit itself. Actually guys, the name of the unit is 689 sniper rifle. So magkahaling tulad lang din sila ng M24 guys, ng airsoft ng Well. So kuhang-kuha niya yung replica. And then ite-test fire natin guys kung ilan yung FPS niya. So we will test this one for a while. So ita-try muna natin guys, test fire muna natin siya sa labas. Alright. Alright guys, in your front is we have the military grade po na scope. It can scope po up to 32 miles away. So this unit po is very good. It has a magandang sights. I will test fire this one later. So maganda po siya guys, tignan nyo. Ita-test fire natin yan. Kasi I installed this one in my air gun. Yan po. Yung bala po niyan guys is metal. Yung 8mm na BBs. Alright, so we will replace this one later on. So we will try the dummy. Yung dummy po niya is, I think it's already magnifying scope. Pero actually it's a dummy. So ito po yung original po na scope. May kabigatan siya guys. Then maganda din siya. Ito kasi yung ginagamit ko pang hunt ng ibon or anumang mga sa tabing ilog. Kasi po maganda po to. it can scope up to 30 miles. Pero I'm not sure guys, it's legit kasi nakalagay naman siya sa ano niya, sa description kung saan ko to nabili. May kabigatan to siya guys. So i-install natin yan later on. So alright, let's try test fire po right now. Alright guys, ito yung video po ng malapitan the unit. Just in case if you don't see kanina, iso-showcase ko po ngayon yung unit. Guys, maganda siya guys, totally. Yan, mahaba din siya. So, right now, I will do test fire. Alright guys, here's the unit. So, enable for you to remove this one. Click this one. Just push this, ano po, this mechanism of the drum for the magazine. Yun, remove na siya. So, here's the ano po, the magazine itself. So I think it can hold up to 50 BBs. So we will put the BBs here. So try nyo lang po ito guys, ito. So alright, sige, install po natin guys. Alright, stacking all of the bullets po. So actually we don't have speed loader, but we will put all the ano po, the BBs inside. So I think I'm wrong kanina po na it can hold up to hundreds BBs. So I am wrong kanina po na it can hold up to 50s. I think it can hold up to 100 pieces of BBs po inside the magazine. Alright, so we will try loading it first. We will put it on the magazine installer. So right, once you heard click, that's good na po. So our target is, you can see na meron po tayong nilagay na carton 5 meters away from the target guys. So we will observe how it performs and how's the FPS and the accuracy and also the power of the unit. So I will get my FPS test chrono first. Once we finish that one, so we will try to target the carton there that I installed. Alright guys, here's our FPS tester chrono test. So we will try to fire. So alright guys, enable for us to put all the gels, all the BBs here. We should aim that all of the BBs inside, because it has holes in it. So as you can see, if you can see the BBs inside, alright, as you can see, meron na po siyang blue. So we will try the FPS tester and how it performs. Alright, let's try the single shot first. Alright, firing. So guys, it's very nice to see the FPS of this unit is already 225 out of the box. So once we upgrade the spring in it, so I'm sure it can reach up to 300 FPS. Very powerful unit guys. Second shot. 230. Nice one. Again. 235. Very nice unit guys, very powerful unit. So right now we will try to test the carton that we installed. Right, sorry. So first we will try the scope first. So we will check how it performs. Actually, the scope, guys, is it's all goods, but I'm not sure it can perfectly hit the target. So alright, let's try. Single shot. Alright, second shot. It's not zeroed yet, guys, the scope. Alright, it's all goods. So titignan natin, guys. Ito yung performance, guys. So 5 meters away from the target, butas na po siya. Yan. Oh. Very powerful. Pero i-try natin yung ano, guys. I-try natin yung legit talaga na scope. So alright, guys, showcasing our legit scope na ginagamit ko po sa ano ko, sa airgun ko. So ito na, guys. Yan po yung target natin. Grabe, ang ganda, guys. So kinakita yung ano, kitang-kita yung kahit gaano kalayo. Ano? Kahit scope natin dyan banda sa may punuan. Ito yung ginagamit ko pang hunting. Yan, guys. So alright, firing po. Pasuyo, B. Pusa ka dali. Alright. M92 sa ano, original na barrel, pero ito po yung is toy na Springer type natin. So this is the type 689 unit sniper rifle. This is a Springer type. Firing. Alright, it's done. So i-check po natin yung tira niya. So here are the ano po, tama niya. So guys, actually butas yung ano, guys, oh. Grabe. Stuck spring the unit itself. Alright, yun lang po. So alright, guys, ito na po yung unit natin. So ito po yung pinakalakas na FPS niya po out of the box. So we installed the legit scope po for hunting. So alright, guys, so my honest review is it's very powerful unit na po, guys, if you ask me. Makailang review na po ako ng mga sniper rifle po na Springer type, including the gel blaster po na ano po, Beretta. So actually this is a powerful unit po. So ayun lang po. So if you want to buy this one sa online, or if in case kung gusto niyo pong bumili po sa akin ito, hindi po yan kasali po. Kasi may kamahalan din po yan kasi it's a military grade po na scope. So all in all po, for the ano ratings po ng unit, it's 9/10. Very powerful unit, guys. Nakita nyo naman yung result po ng karton. Tumagos po yung bala. So alright, so good thing po is we review this one para at least po may idea po kayo kung ano po yung unit po na bibilhin nyo na Springer type. Actually, it's very realistic unit po. Sa structures niya, maganda yung pagka-nylon body. Yan, guys, oh. Tapos ang FPS pa niya is 230 out of the box. Alright, ayun lang po. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. At sana po ay magtangkilik pa po kayo sa aking mga videos related po sa Springer type or gel blaster. So abang-abang lang po kayo, guys, sa next video po natin. Kasi po lahat ng uploads po natin is para po sa inyo. At least ma-educate ko po kayo at least may idea po kayo kung ano po yung mga bibilhin. So, yung unit po natin is Type 689 Sniper Rifle. So, yung original po ng kamukha niyan guys is M92 na sniper rifle po sa totoong barrel. So, alright, yun lang po. Stay safe, God bless, and thank you. Paalam.